Going on? It's Ryan here from happytrader.io. Today is Wednesday, Fed Day, December 13th, 2023. And I wanted to go over amplitude and profit taking and hedging and a couple random topics of, maybe how to trade happytrader.io that'll give you some encouragement and some trading ideas. Now, if you like and subscribe, which you should be doing, um, as we are a brand new startup and we believe we have the best trading software out there. You can see on our back testing videos when we do just our long only, we have our long only, our long and short, all can be seen on different videos. You can see that just trading from, for instance, buying on the uptrend and then just, trading from here to here is going to, result in a positive expectancy, especially on these derivative products like futures and stuff like that. I've also explained in other videos how to maybe sell options premium out of the money if you don't want to be directly involved with a crazy move like this. I know right now, even if I were selling calls up here, I'd be getting a little worried. The market's going to start to kind of cause a little covering, right? So you can see the market is handily up. These are the three major indexes. Nasdaq's one we're looking at. You can see crypto's up, and you can just see everything's just kind of looking like crazy bullish right now. So I guess bad news is good news, and I guess if the Fed pivots, it doesn't always result in what we think is going to happen, right? So that's just how the market operates. Now, with that being said, if you are a Nasdaq trader and you're trading the NQ with Happy Trader and you get your buy signal and then you get your uptrend soon thereafter, that's going to indicate a higher level of amplitude than if you get, for instance, a sell signal over here and you get a flat Illuma trend, right? So you have a sell signal, flat Illuma trend, but your trading signal comes, kind of midway or just too far away from here, right? So you can see the distance between the sell signal, which is the trend signal, and the downtrend signal, which is going to be your trading idea, compared to this, not flat Illuma trend. You see this is flat here. This is not flat at all, it's just choppy. And you can see that it's headed on the upside, and then you have your buy signal indicating a trend reversal, and then you have your uptrend signal soon thereafter. So we have all criteria sets pointing bullish. So if you're waiting for the shoe to drop, or a lot of traders fall into this kind of like, I guess, donut hole of, you know, let's wait for the shoe to drop. Let's try to time the market. Let's try to time the short. Really, really hard to time the short, okay? So most of the time, things like that are going to happen when nobody expects them, right? So that's just that, right? So the point is here, we've been in a bear market for a long time. And if you see a buy signal and you have an uptrend signal that's close by, and you have a not, flat, you might have little areas of flat, but it's not flat like this, right? So, you're looking at a lot of criteria sets that without Happy Trader, you don't know what happened, and you don't know if this candle's going to get sold off, or what the probability is, what the edge might be, related to this move. All you know is that the market moved up and you missed it. But when you have the tools in the toolbox and you're looking under the hood of the market, you can actually see, what's going on, and you can set alerts for all of this stuff, like I mentioned in other videos, just by going to your preferred ticker and time frame on trading view, and just going in and adding either once per minute, once per bar signals. You can get your trend signals here and then your AI signals here, and then set them to notify you. Easy peasy, set it, forget it. If you're a 5-minute trader, 30-minute trader, doesn't matter. We have positive expectancy on the NASDAQ for just very simple rudimentary back testing. Now, something that kind of touches on amplitude. Let's talk about profit taking. So profit taking, it's going to be subjective. It depends on your account size. It depends on your some people are going to look at it like a risk reward ratio. I don't look at it that way, because I just don't think the market operates in a risk reward ratio manner. But if you're looking at, for instance, this move today, what I would be doing is considering taking profits. So, you're kind of going sideways into a Fed day. We get a big green candle, and, that's a lot of move to be had. I'd be considering, probably dropping out of this particular trade if I were to take it on this uptrend signal. I might only take a scalp. I might actually wait for this red candle and then take this move right here. You don't have to just trade signal to signal with happy traders. So happy traders just going to give you, ideas in conjunction with whatever else you're doing of, kind of what to do, what the market's doing, what the market's thinking, and what is the sentiment of the market, right? So without any of this stuff, you just don't really know until the candles print, but you can't trade price action. That's just telling you what's already transpired. You want to be trading ahead of the curve, right? So that's going to pretty much do it for this video of profit taking. You don't have to wait for the next signal to take your profit. If you get a buy and then you have an uptrend close thereby, maybe wait for a drawdown. This is just a potential trading idea. Wait for a drawdown like this red candle right here, leg in with a small position size and trade responsibly, to where if we get a huge move in your direction, don't be overly greedy heading into the 3 o'clock hour on a Fed day. That type of mentality is the way to go when you're trading with Happy Trader. And, that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. And hopefully that was a valuable or somewhat valuable lesson for you. Hedging, I know I mentioned I would touch on that. I'm actually going to get into a whole video on how to hedge a position and how to psychologically look at what the hedge is performing and what its duties are within your position. So again, this is Ryan, CEO, head quant here at happytrader.io. Stay safe and happy trading.